Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. So now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from KPMG for all minimum experienced candidates for software engineer role which is based on a Java technology, and you'll get posted in Bangalore location once you get hired for this position. And you can expect up to a 5 to 10 lakh per annum for this role based on your experience. So coming to your qualifications, so all BE or BTech or ME or MTech or MCA students or any graduate can apply for this role. And also it's good if you have a certifications on Java, so it would be an added advantage for your profile to be shortlisted quickly and exposed to a big data structures. And also if you have a financial services domain knowledge, that would be a plus for this role. So coming to your other skills, so you should have a good hands-on development experience using core Java and experience on a Spring and RESTful API, good working knowledge on SQL or any Linux, Windows as a platform, and exposure to a software development lifecycle concepts like regression testing, pre-production, production, and other concepts as well. So guys, that's very quick information about your role and responsibilities for this position from KPMG. So if you are interested in this role, just apply for this role as soon as possible before the position is filled. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Indiamart, especially for all female candidates because it's a permanent work from home opportunity. So your job title would be a female associate or customer success service and operations. So guys, here you can, in this role, you can work as a part-time associate and you can work from your home, but you have to work a minimum 4 hours in a day, and you'll also receive your payout based on a weekly output, and you can receive additional incentives as well based on your performance. So it's a voice-based calling process and it's a sales calling job. So if you have any of these languages skills like Marathi or Gujarati or Bengali or Hindi or English, then you can apply for this role. So here coming to your responsibilities, so as an online associate you will have to help the Indiamart buyers over the call, and you are required to verify the information from the buyer and update the same on the system. So it's a voice based calling process, and here you have to work a minimum 4 hours in a day, and all you need is a good communication skills, and also you should have a laptop or a desktop and a good internet connection. So if you are willing to work 8 hours in a day, you can earn around 15,000 to 25,000 per month in this role, and also you'll be provided additional incentives based on your performance. So for this role you'll have to go through aptitude test initially, which is followed by video assessment. So guys, you have to make sure that you have all these documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card, or bank details like cancel check or bank statement or passbook, or a PH or PWD certificate if applicable, and your passport size photograph. So any graduate is eligible to apply for this role, and even a 12th pass can apply for this role. So graduation is not mandatory, and your salary might range between 1,75,000 to 2,50,000 based on your working hours. So guys, if you're looking for these kind of work from home opportunities, just don't miss this opportunity and apply for this role as soon as possible before the position is filled. And now let's see one more position from Indiamart. So guys, this is one more opportunity from Indiamart, which is similar to the previous role. Like you can see, this is also a female associate position, and you can see all job title and your role and responsibilities, and other details like salary details, selection process, and document requirements. Everything is similar to your previous role, but here you can observe the only difference between the previous role and here it is language preference. So if you are a proficient in any of these languages, like in your native languages like Gujarati or Hindi or English, Tamil or Telugu or Kannada, Malayalam or Bengali, then you can apply for this role, and other details are more or less similar to the previous position. So I'll also give you this link in the description so that you can apply for both the roles separately. And now let's see one more position. So guys, it's a customer service new associate query management role from Accenture, and you'll get posted in Hyderabad location once you get hired for this position, and you can expect up to a 3 lakh per annum for this role. So they have opened this position for both freshers and experienced, and So your designation will be a customer service new associate and location is Hyderabad. So any graduate is eligible to apply for this role, like all BE or BTech, ME or MTech or BSc, BBA, BCom. So any graduate is eligible to apply for this role. So either you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any earlier experience up to 1 year, then also you're good to apply for this role. So coming to your responsibilities, so guys, here you have to work with the customer support team in order to manage or resolve the customer queries, and also you'll have to handle the escalations or complaints of the customers if they're not satisfied with the provided resolutions. So you'll have to close the tickets or complaints within the target time, and you'll be responsible for making inbound or outbound calls, and also you'll have to provide the support to the customers either through email or chat. And sometimes you have to provide some technical assistance as well, like in case of any software issues like software installations or something, and hardware issues. So that's about your role. So here you will have to interact with your own team and your direct supervisor, and also you'll be provided some detailed instructions on your day-to-day work. And for this role, you might have to work in rotational shifts, for which you'll be paid a 5 to 10k shift allowances per month in addition to your monthly salary. So guys, that's about your role and responsibilities for this role from Accenture. So if you are interested in these kind of non-technical positions from MNCs, just try to apply as soon as possible before the position is filled. And if you have any queries regarding this position, just let me know in comment section so that I can assist you further. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have one more position open from Accenture, which is Web Developer Associate, and you'll get posted in Mumbai location once you get hired for this position, and you can expect like 4 to 10 lakh per annum for this role based on your experience. So your designation would be a Web Developer Associate, location is Mumbai, so any graduate is eligible to apply for this role, but you should have a minimum experience of 1 to 3 years in order to apply for this role. So coming to your responsibilities, so guys, here you have to work with the insights and intelligence team and help them in generating all the insights by using all the latest artificial intelligence and analytical techniques. So you should have a very good experience on artificial intelligence tools, and also you'll be required to solve all the technical issues using AI platforms and technologies. So for this you have to use the existing frameworks and standards in order to create the architectural foundation and the services that are necessary for AI applications. And also you should be an active blogger because you have to publish the research papers and create awareness in this emerging area, and you have to work in digital marketing team as well in order to help the clients about their products and services using digital technologies, mainly on internet, and also on some mobile phone apps, display advertising, e-commerce, or some other online shopping websites or any other digital medium. And you have to work on these tools as well, like Adobe Creative Suite, Workfront, work management software, HTML, JavaScript, Atlassian, Jira, etc. So you should have a good knowledge or experience on these tools as well, and mainly you will be working on HTML. So you have to you should have a good experience or knowledge on HTML as well in order to develop a web pages. So guys, that's about your role for this, and you'll be given some detailed instructions on your day-to-day work, and also you have to work in rotational shifts, for which you'll be paid 5 to 10k shift allowances per month in addition to your monthly salary. So guys, that's a very quick information about this role from Accenture for all minimum experienced candidates. So if you are interested in this web developer associate position, apply for it before it gets expired. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's graduate apprentice trainee position from Mahindra and Mahindra, and this has been opened recently, which is on 18 September. So this position they have opened only for freshers. So if you are eligible for this role, apply for it as soon as possible. So coming to your qualification, all BE students like automobile or mechanical students or diploma in automobile engineering can apply for this role. So your job segment will be engineer. So all freshers can apply for this role. So might be from 2021, 2022, 2023 graduates can apply for this role. So coming to your responsibilities, so guys, here you'll have to interact with the customer and understand support required at the customer end, and you have to escalate the same to your area business manager or a journal service manager for further resolving. And you'll be involved in a logbook collection like MTBL and competition vehicles, which helps to create a better database for a scope of improvement. and you'll be involved in overall product performance, which includes the fuel efficiency, maintenance, tire life, uptime, and etc. And you have to work on testimonials on FE from customer, post successful completion of FE trial 1 vehicles, and number of pre and post trial customer signed off copy per month, and competition details, data on performance, vehicle specification, new engineering introduction from field feedback. And you have to ensure the uptime monitoring and time to time, and you have to share the same data to your area business manager or a zonal service manager. And also you have to travel along with the vehicle for a few trials as well, and you have to support to the dealer before commencing the trial for vehicle checkup and unkeep. So guys, that's about your core responsibilities here for this role, graduate apprentice trainee position from Mahindra and Mahindra. So all automobile and mechanical engineering students, if you are interested in this role, so if you are looking for these kind of opportunities from MNCs, apply for it as soon as possible before it gets expired. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, if you're looking for internship opportunities in MNCs, then you're at the right place today. So it's a good internship opportunity from Salesforce for all freshers. So you'll get posted in a Bangalore location once you get hired for this position, and it has been posted around 4 days ago. So if you are interested, just apply it as soon as possible. And here they're going to hire a top talent where they want you to join their internship program, which they're going to conduct it for 2 months. And here you can enhance your technical skills and understand what is the market and what is the sales force as well. So coming to your eligibility criteria, so guys, you should be a 2025 graduating MBA student. So now you should be in your pre-final year, and you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written, and also good technical skills. So based on your performance, they might be recruiting you for this internship opportunity. So here in this internship program, you can actually go through all the structured learning framework that help you to develop your technical and business skills. And also you can do some standard Salesforce certifications like a Salesforce certified administrator in this course. And also you can develop all your technical skills, so you'll get enough opportunities to learn from all the key executives in the organization and understand what's a position as a market leader in the industry. And like that's about your role here for this 2 months internship program. So guys, if you are interested in this kind of internship opportunities from MNC, just don't miss this opportunity. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's one more internship opportunity from Bookmyshow. So all freshers can apply for this role. Even if you have experience of up to 1 year, then also you're good to apply for this role. So if you are interested in this position. And coming to your skill set, you should be proficient in Photoshop and Illustrator. So nothing more than that. And you should be available for a full-time internship, which is for 6 months. And coming to your role, you'll be responsible for creating artworks for their partner cinema, including print assets like standees, banners, and billboards. And there will be an pre-approved artwork that will need to be resized to the dimension of the request from the cinema partners. So you have to collaborate with all the team to maintain a design consistency and meet the timelines. So that's about your role here in this internship opportunity. So guys, if you are interested, just apply for it as soon as possible. And now let's see one more position. So guys, it's a sales related role, which is a quotes and renewal advisor from Dell Technologies, and for which you can expect up to a 4 lakh per annum for this role. So coming to your eligibility criteria, so you should have minimum of 1 to 2 years of relevant work experience on sales and good communication skills, both verbal and written, and a good knowledge on Microsoft applications, especially a Microsoft Excel. So that's about your eligibility criteria, and it's good if you have working experience on data and presentation skills. So coming to your responsibilities, you have to work on managing the order fulfillment. You have to research about all the customer problems, and you should work towards resolving them and delivering the right solutions within the SLA. You have to facilitate the product and sales information flow and create a positive customer experience, and also you have to engage in our sales operation process improvements. So mainly you have to work towards providing a good customer experience, and you have to meet the customer needs within the target time. So guys, that's about your role from Dell Technologies. So if you are interested in this kind of a sales role, just apply for it as soon as possible before the position gets filled. So guys, that's all for today about these various roles from these MNCs. If you are interested in any of these roles, just apply for it as soon as possible. And also you can refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs in our channel which are still open and which are listed according to the playlist. So please do check those as well and apply right away if you are eligible and interested in those roles. And guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates on SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. Thank you.